Hello, this is Farshid with another episode of Just For You. Today we're going to take a look at an electric gripper. All the white components you see here were manufactured using a 3D printer. The other components that we have here are our DC motor. It's a brushed DC motor that has a gearbox attached to it. And then we have our directional switch, which is a double pole, double throw switch with the neutral position. When we flip the switch to one side, it allows the motor to rotate in one direction. When we flip it all the way to the other side, it allows the motor to reverse its direction. To pass current to the motor, we have a push button here. By pressing it, it allows the motor to rotate. This is the back of our gripper, and as you notice, there's a hole that is in the center of the back panel, and that is to allow this shaft to go through. And we'll take a look at the other side of the gripper shortly. And then this mystery piece will basically, it's not a mystery anymore. Once I rotate the gripper around, you'll see what's going on here. This is a pinion that's attached to the shaft of the gearbox, and we have our rack that engages with the pinion, and once those two are engaged, when the pinion rotates, our rack then moves back and forth. As the rack moves back and forth, it gets close or far away from our second jaw, which is our fixed jaw here, and to create the gripper effect. So this gripper, as you probably guessed by now, it's powered using a AAA battery. And let's take a look at the rotation of our pinion real quick. By pressing the button, we get the pinion to rotate, and we're going to flip the switch to the opposite direction and press the button. You'll notice that the pinion's rotating in the opposite direction. So the next thing I'll do is I'll put the gripper back together, and then you can take a look and see how it actually operates once it's all put back together. As you can see, I have the gripper put back together, and now we'll take a look at how it operates. Push the button and causes the jaw to close. Flip the switch to the opposite direction, causing the motor to reverse its direction. Therefore, the pinion, now it rotates in the opposite direction. Since the pinion is engaged with the rack, that causes the jaw to open. Nice thing about an electric gripper is that we can jog the motor, therefore allowing the movable jaw to move fraction of its stroke. So here we have it, and we can flip it back to the other way and open it up. The other thing that this gripper has, as you noticed, there was a extended shaft coming out of the pinion that comes through the housing. This allows us to manually operate the gripper by rotating the pinion, since again it's engaged with our rack, that allows our jaw to move back and forth. So there you have it. That's the electric gripper. Hope you enjoyed it.